This is a reverse sneeze where it's a forceful inspiration of air, where a regular sneeze is a forceful expiration of air. It's caused by a lot of different things such as allergies, irritants, foreign bodies, even like a little mass, things of that sort. They can be seen in any dog, but they are most likely to be seen in a small breed dog or a brachycephalic dog. There are no specific treatments, but during these episodes, you can put both fingers on their nostrils to get them to stop. If it does happen a lot, it is important to make sure you bring your pet to the vet because you want to identify that underlying cause.